channel. Today I want to share with you what I've been doing over the summer. I had a little project that I was working on this summer, and that is redoing my workspace. I have an artist loft upstairs where I paint and draw, and I'm creative and all that stuff. And I'm venturing out into some new territory, and I wanted to change up this space to kind of fit where I am at this season in my life. So a refreshing, if you will. And I'll share more with you on that later. But today it's all about what I did in my space. So I just want to share this with you, hoping it will encourage you in case, you want to change up some things in your home. And I will share with you where I got my items from and the cost, if I can remember, and all that good stuff. And if you see anything you like, hopefully it'll be linked in the description box below. But I'm going to show you what the space looked like before and a little bit of the process and then the end results. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead, click like, subscribe, and make sure you click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. All right, so let's go upstairs. I'm so excited. As you can see, I have my little work table there. And over here is where I keep all of my painting accessories, or painting supplies, I should say, in these drawers. And I picked up this little organizer from Michael's. And I believe I paid like maybe $49, so $50 for that. And it does have shelf you can put things on, and it was really easy to assemble. And like I say, it's just where I keep all of my supplies. And then I just kind of put some things on the wall that are special to me. And this plant, this faux plant, I picked up at Marshall's, and I think I paid like $69 for that. I did not realize how expensive faux plants can be, but I just thought that was really cute, so I got that. And the little wastebasket is so cute. I've had this for a while, and it's made out of magazines. It's woven, and I just thought that was cute. And then this desk is a vintage refurbished desk. It has a distressed top, and this is what you call a table desk, and it has a drawer here where you can keep things. And I think I paid like $150 for that. It's just a cute little desktop. And then the plant over here, this little faux orchid plant, I picked up at Ross for a little or nothing. I think I paid like $7 for it. This was a gift from a friend. And this printer, guys, you know I am a Poshmark seller, so I got this printer just so I can make labels for my Poshmark sales, and I love it. And I'll link this brand in the description box below. If you buy one of these, use the link I give you because I'm affiliate of Amazon and it would help me out greatly. But so I have this globe that I also picked up from Ross. Absolutely love it. And then I went with this red chair because you know how much I love red. And I got this chair. Let me think, where did I get this chair from? Home Threads. I believe it's called Home Threads. I'll leave it in the description box as well, but cute little desk. It was $117 plus tax and shipping. And I just love that it adds a pop of color to the workspace. And then over here is this very inexpensive shelf that I picked up from Walmart, and this was just $20, guys. And I bought two of them. I'm debating on whether or not to put up the other one. These are just temporary shelves. I really want to find a shelf with, glass dividers. I just like the transparency of the glass when you have those. So I'm gonna put another one over here for my boxes and things that I will, be shipping things with. And then over here in this little space is just, I guess, a little decorative nook slash storage space. So I have some things that I store in these little containers here that I've had for a while. And that is pretty much it. So that is my space. And now I'm gonna show you what it looked like before. Let's travel back in time. This is my loft before. As you can see, I have a lot of things in my loft, very eclectic. It felt a little bit cluttered and just kind of, it didn't have any, I don't know, just cohesiveness about it. So I decided to start by just pulling everything, you know, from off the walls. And that's when I noticed that the pictures on the wall left impressions, I guess from the sun exposure, and I could not clean that off with a cleaner. So what I ended up doing was buying a gallon of paint from Lowe's. I think I paid like $60 for 1 gallon, and I began painting the walls. I went with a white as opposed to an eggshell white this time, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So I began taping off and cutting in with the brush, and then I went in with a roller and filled in everything, and it really just brightened up everything. I painted all of the walls, not the ceiling, and that gallon of paint was just enough. I had just enough paint to cover this entire space. So this was the end result with the white, much brighter, no more imprints on the wall, and that's it. Then I just kind of decluttered, got rid of some things, and voila, let's travel forward back in time. All right, guys, so that is it for the update on my space that I recreated, and I just love what I've done, and I like how it's progressed. And of course, I'm going to be making changes, you know, as I go along, and as I'm working, I will see, you know, things that might need to be tweaked here and there. But I just wanted to share with you what I've done. And like I said, you can do all of these things very inexpensively. It didn't pay much to redo the space outside of, you know, I did, as I mentioned earlier, paint the space because I had to. And then I just started, you know, tweaking things here and there. Let me know what home projects you've been working on, and if you have videos on those, leave them below so I can check you out. And once again, my name is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because He loves us so much. And I will see you next time. Bye.